triangle XYZ now, we have to find line XZ, which is Y. So since this one is opposite this, then this one will be our Z. While this 3 centimeter will now be our X. So Y squared equals to X squared plus Z squared minus 2xz cos Y. And our cos Y from our diagram, Y is what? The angle Y is 102 degrees. 102 degrees. So that one will now give us Y squared equals X is 3. So that is 3 squared plus Z squared. Z is what? 5. That is 5 squared minus 2 times 3 times 5 cos 102 degrees. Y squared will now be 3 squared is 9 plus 5 squared, that is 25 minus 2 times 3 times 5, that is 30. Because 2 times 3 is 6 times 5, that is 6 times 5 is 30. Then cos 102, we check our four-figure table again. Cos 102 is 0.2079. 2079. Now, how do we arrive at this? Somebody should ask question and say, but this one will give us a negative answer. Yes. 102, if you check, you can't get 102 directly from your four-figure table, but you can get it from your calculator directly. But we are using four-figure table now. So we are going, this is an obtuse angle. So we are going to change it to acute angle. The positive angle there will now be 180, because this one falls at the second quadrant. And at the second quadrant, it is cos there is negative. And if cos is negative at the second quadrant, then you have 180 minus theta, which is the angle given there. So that will give us 78. So exactly it is cos 78. But because of this negative at that quadrant, the negative will now change the negative at the back there. So we still put our negative there. So this one will now change it to positive. The negative of the angle here, we have paired the negative that we have here. So that's why this one is changing. So we now have y squared equals to 9 plus 25, that is 34. Plus 30 multiplied by that now will give us 6.237. 6.237. So add everything together. Y squared equals to 34 plus this. That is 40.237. Then y will now be square root of 40.237. Then we find the square root. Square root of this will give us 6.34. 6.34. 4 centimeters to 3 significant figures. So that is that again. Now you can use your cosine rule also. Apart from using it to find the side, we can use it to find our angles. So let's look at another example now. That will be our example 3. Say calculate the angles of a triangle. That is example 3. Calculate the angles of a triangle. With size of length 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. So let's have a triangle like this. ABC. Then we have 5, 7, and 4 centimeters. Now, from our angle that says from our formula the other time, a square, which is b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. We are going to make cos a the subject of the formula, and if we are doing that, let's bring all these ones to this side. Then that will give us 2bc cos A equals b square plus c square minus a square. Then divide both sides by 2bc. You have cos A equals b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc. That is what you are going to have. So we now have cos A. If it is cos B you are looking for, then that will be B will no longer be here. That will be a square plus c square minus b square over 2ac. If it is c you want to find, if it is cos C, then that will give us a square plus b square minus c square over 2ab. So just making the angle there the subject of the formula. Get the other angle that you want to find. So what we do now is that we substitute the values that we have from our diagram, from the triangle. Set cos A, that's what we want to find first. Cos A will now be B, like we have explained the other time. We want side opposite the angle is the small side. That will be B, this one will be C, this side will be A. Now the beauty of this is that without having all the three sides given, you cannot use the cosine rule to find the angle. All the three sides must be present. You must know all the sides. So cos A now will be b square. B square, our b is 5. So 5 square plus c square. C is 7. So So that will be 7 squared minus a squared. Our value of a is 4. So 4 squared divided by 2 multiplied by b is 5. Then c is 7.